So we finally got a macro lens for the GoPro. Kind of. I did a video 1 year ago with a more makeshift macro lens, and then another one using the Ulanzi case and the Ulanzi ZV-1 macro lens. I mean, they both kind of worked all right, but just a little bit obnoxious to put together. And then a company decided to make a macro lens that fits right on your GoPro. Why GoPro hasn't made a lens like this is beyond me, but someone else did it, and that's all right. And honestly, I'm actually trying to figure out who sent this to me, because I actually ordered one on Amazon, but it says it's gonna be like a few months to get here. And then this one showed up, and I'm not sure if somebody sent that to me, but thank you for that, and I will shout out your website down in the description. So I guess this is where I should say links to everything are down in the description, plus a surprise link. And let's get right to this because it's Thursday. Now, if you're actually a super fan of this channel and you watched it right when it was released, and you're like, wait a minute, this is released on Wednesday. Well, I'm in Australia, so it's a day ahead. Welcome to the future. It still sucks. Just kidding, it's awesome. But seriously, we have removable lenses on the Hero 10 and the Hero 9, and this one just pops on right there and twists into place. And now you have a macro lens. And it's a lot more convenient than the other ones, but how good does it look? So it works. It does a great job getting up close and personal with the objects. But a couple of things that I did notice is, one, it disables hypersmooth kind of, meaning it's just kind of smooth. It's not hyper smooth and it's not no hyper smooth. It's just like a little bit more than no hyper smooth. So if you were wanting to get more macro lens movement shots, you probably want to get a gimbal, or you can get a remote controlled dolly like this, or you can get a slide pod like this. I will say you need to find the Goldilocks zone. Not too close, not too far, just right there in the middle. So now I want to show you what it's like when it's not on and when it is on, so you can actually see how good of a job it does. Is that it works. And if I had more Legos, it'd be a lot more fun to get more shots with that. It's just another cool piece of gear that you can add to your GoPro toolbox. And the price for this comes in around $40 US. So do check that link down below just in case it might be cheaper or there might be a better one out. I don't know, just check the link. But that's it, time's up on another 30-second Thursday. Thank you so much for being here. I really do appreciate it. And don't be a stranger to this channel because I have a lot of cool reviews coming out all the time. So I'll see you guys on the next one.
Mr. Black. Albertson.